In this question, it is given that we plot a graph having a temperature in degrees Celsius along the x-axis and Fahrenheit along the y-axis. So we'd like to draw a graph which is showing the relation between Fahrenheit along y-axis and temperature along degrees Celsius along x-axis. So we can just consider that as a graph between y and x-axis. Then we can just find out what is the relation between this degree Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. So we can use that equation, reading in any thermometer minus its lower fixed point divided by upper fixed point minus lower fixed point is equal to a constant. So by using this we can just write the relation between reading in degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. So reading in Fahrenheit scale minus the lower fixed point of Fahrenheit scale is 32 divided by upper fixed point is 212 minus lower fixed point 32 is equal to a reading in degree Celsius scale that we can take it as, let's say, degree C, and its lower fixed point is 0 and upper fixed point is 100 and lower fixed point is 0. So we can write this reading in degree Celsius Fahrenheit scale minus 32 divided by 180 is equal to reading in degree Celsius scale divided by 100. So if you are cancelling this 100 and this 10 and 10, and over here you can write it as 5 and here it is 9. So we can write this as reading in degree Fahrenheit scale is equal to 5 into reading in degree Celsius scale divided by it is 9 into reading in degree Celsius scale divided by 5 and plus 32. So this is the relation between Fahrenheit scale and degree Celsius scale. So our aim is to draw the graph between them, as we know that if you are comparing it with the equation y is equal to mx plus c, over here instead of this m, our slope will have the term 9 by 5 plus 9 by 5. So the graph is going to be have a positive slope, and we can observe that its y-intercept is also, the c represents y-intercept, that is also a positive value. So if I am drawing this graph for relation between degree Fahrenheit scale with respect to degree Celsius, so the graph will be something like this, its y-intercept is 32 and it's having a positive slope. So graph will be something like this. So according to this question, we need to just observe the y-intercept over there, and y-intercept is something but plus 32, or we can directly say in this form also. When the temperature in degree Celsius scale is equal to 0, then reading in Fahrenheit scale is something but 32. So its y-intercept is going to be a positive value.